In this video, I'm gonna show you how to get the mouthpiece out of a trumpet or brass instrument, especially if it falls on the ground. Don't worry, this trumpet is a broken one already. Let's get started. All right, I'm here back in my office. I got the trumpet that fell. The mouthpiece is stuck. That is not gonna come out. That's on there. So I have my mouthpiece puller here. There's a Bobcat style. There's a J.L. Smith and Company. So here's how to adjust it. When you get it, you need to make sure you get this and you just righty-tighty this and then righty-tighty this. And when it stops, you just go back to the other side and you keep going. You just do one side at a time until you feel it snug. If yours is like stiff and stuck, you have to probably try to unloosen it and try to do one at a time. I'm just kind of eyeballing and seeing where it's at. I obviously went too far. I went too far into that mouthpiece. So I go the opposite direction. So I made it narrow. I got to open it up more to get further out. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to do a lefty-loosey to open it up until it stops and I feel snug. There we go. This side now, lefty-loosey. Now I got it pretty close to where I need to go. That's getting pretty close there now. What I need to do is get this here and open this little chamber open. So I'm gonna left loose that, open it up. That part there is gonna grab the lead pipe. So I'm gonna put this in here, slide it back, so it's like this. I'm gonna squeeze these two ends together and then righty-tighty that screw that's right there and the other screw over here. Just like this. Righty-tighty, righty-tighty. So there's the trumpet right now. You can see that this is grabbing onto the lead pipe right here, and then it's pulling on the mouthpiece away. And you just kind of keep going. And if you hear a pop or a click, that means you got it really stuck in there. So lefty-loosey. So I'm gonna keep going. You'll feel it get tight, that's okay. And then popped out. There's the mouthpiece, pretty cool. So the process is the same for trombone and even French horn and tuba with this kind of mouthpiece puller. Now, some things to keep in mind. If you have a cheap quality instrument, like one of those Amazon brand ones or those ISOs, you're gonna probably break the lead pipe. That's because the copper to zinc ratio is not as high quality on that for those brass instruments, and the metal's just softer. It's gonna break, it's gonna crack down the line. And in that case, it's actually better not even to try to take the mouthpiece out. You're better off seeing a technician. But if you do have a quality brand instrument, that's like a name brand, the brass should hold up and be able to get that mouthpiece taken off. So just keep that in mind if you're working on a student instrument. Now, if you don't have a mouthpiece puller and you're at home trying to figure this out, first off, contact your band director, find out how to get the mouthpiece out, and talk to them and consult them. Or you can visit a local music repair store that can get that unstuck for you. Most places will do it free of charge, or they'll offer some kind of small service fee. If that's still not in your boundary and you still can't find a way of doing that, a lot of times when the mouthpiece gets hit, it will get very warm and hot, or you just played on it, it's already hot from your body. Your body's at 98 degrees and the instrument's somewhere at room temperature. So when you're playing your instrument, that metal is expanding into the lead pipe along with any other sediment that might be in there. And then you just damaged it and got it stuck. A good trick you can try is to get an ice cube on the mouthpiece while keeping your hand wrapped around the lead pipe. This will let the lead pipe be at 98 degrees, being your body temperature, and then the ice cube will be on there getting cold. Let it sit there, and when you're done, like just kind of try to pull it off. And try twisting it off. You can do lots of little taps on it, like a jar of pickles. Give it lots of taps, and then try twisting it off. Hopefully that helps if you're at home. If that doesn't work still, you're better off leaving it alone. Please don't get a wrench to it or any tools. That's gonna scratch up your trumpet and break it. You're better off even just taking it to your band director. Yes, you have to walk around school or something with your instrument like this, and you can't put it in the case because it's annoying, but you're better off taking it to your band director. All right, hope this helped you a lot. Please consider liking and subscribing to this channel, and thank you for watching.